Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the Learn system in this little video. When you click on to learn canterbury.ac.nz in your URL box, you get to see a website such as this, and it is here that you're going to put your username and password. My username is ABAAT, so I'm going to put that in here and you see how things work, alright? And I had already pre-configured my username and password in this browser, so this is going to get me into my learn page, and you can see here that it shows my name over here, and I can see here that there is this list of courses that I am enrolled in. So I will go ahead and click here, which is Evidence in Healthcare, which is this course. When you come over here, you see that I'm logged in as my username, and it takes a while to load, but here you can see that there are two basic panels. On the left panel you can see that I've got all the course menu here. For example, right now it's the introduction section that's in place, so you'll see that, and you can see participants and gradebook. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch my role to that of a student so that you will see exactly what a student sees. Alright, so when I do that, you can see that it is you can see this little graphic over here, the course menu. It shows all the other participants, your gradebook. You can search the course, and particularly the forum section, and you get to see the list of your other courses as well. Over subsequent weeks, you will see that the other modules of this course will appear over here as the weeks go by, and then we come down to the links. Now each of these are clickable links. For example, here you can see you can learn all about the Health 301. This is the timetable for the course assessments, and so on and so forth. Here is the general forum for this course, and I'll show you in a minute how to use the general forum posts and so on and stuff. And there is a simple quiz for practice. Okay, and here is the introduction to the course. And this, whenever you see an icon such as this, it means that there is a folder which contains several individual files. If you click here, you get to choose any number of files that you want to see. You can download all the PDF files. You can or the PowerPoint files, and here are the e-booklets which you will need to read, and so you could use any number of any of these files to navigate. Then you go back anytime you want to move. It's very simple. You just use the regular navigational tools to move around this site. If you click here, it brings you to the general forum for this course, and as you can see here, there's already something that has been populated over here, and this is the first post that I had posted here. Alright, and you can see that this forum forces everyone to be subscribed, so you are subscribed as well. Now you can do several things in this post. For example, you can click on here to read the post, and then you can respond to it. Okay, you will be able to respond to these particular posts. You can display the replies in any way you like. You can fully customize those things. And of course, I am logged in as a student, and therefore I cannot really post anything to my own self. But if I return to my normal role, I should be able to respond to my posts in the general forum. Here is how it looks like. All right. So if you do that, and if I click on this, you can see that I can read my mail, and I can delete this post, I can edit this post, or I can reply to this post. When I reply to this post, it shows the original post and a box where I can post my replies, or I can write anything over here, and then I can choose to mail everyone who's subscribed to the forum, right? And so that's how it works. Forum. It's a very simple and fairly straightforward. You can also create your own messages, and I'll show you how you can do that in a minute. The second thing that you can do with the forums is this: that you can click onto the general forum for this course, and you can add a new topic. You just have to click this, and you type the subject of your topic. You type the message over here, the format. You just leave it as Moodle Auto format. If you want to post a file, you can post a file there. For example, it could be a PDF document. It could be a picture, it could be any file that you want your readers or your viewers to experience. For example, it could be an audio file, a video file, and so on. And you can mail them, so that it distributes to people who are watching this forum as well. And you can certainly create RSS feeds out of those things, but I'm not going into those details now. So that's about the forum. The second thing that you need to learn is how to use the other features. For example, you can take a quiz. Whenever you see an icon such as this is a quiz, and a quiz is going to appear to you something like this. All right. So you can see it's a sample quiz for practice. It's a set of multiple choice questions. You will be allowed 10 attempts in the practice session. However, in the actual quiz during the examinations, you're only allowed 1 attempt. So if you click on the continue, you see that there are you can continue to practice the practice the quiz. You can see that. Well, unfortunately, it's not going to take me to the quiz because the quiz is not going to be available until the Tuesday, 10th of July. When that happens, if you click on continue, you will see a set of questions on which you can practice. Okay, so that's about the quiz bit. And this is organized in the weekly format. So each week you will see the topics. As you can see over here, in the first week we're going to talk about the introduction. In the second week we're going to talk about the health systems and causality, study designs and prioritizations, and so on. And you will have different kinds of different topics that will be listed over here. For example, here you can see the topics that are listed for the week on 9th to the 15th of July. So this was a very, very quick introduction to the Learn website. I hope you explore around, and if there are more questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you.